Hello, my name is Regina. In this video, I will explain the round function and INT function in Microsoft Excel. Round function. The round function round a number to a specified number or digit. In the example, I will round the average mark of the student. Firstly, I calculate the average mark of the student using the average function. Equal. Click on the average function. Select on the mark of three subjects. Close parenthesis and press enter. Click and scroll down. Now use the round function. Equal. Click on the round function. Number. This is a real number that we wish to round. Click on average mark. Comma. Num underscore digit. This is the number or digit to which we want to round the number. Here I insert 1, the result will be 94.7. Here I insert 2, the result will be 94.67. Insert 2, close parenthesis, and press enter. Click and scroll down. Insert 1, press enter. Double click. INT function. The INT function round a number down to the nearest integer. In the example, I will round the average mark of the student using the INT function. Firstly, I use the shortcut key of the average function to calculate the average mark of the student. Select table. Press R plus A plus U plus A. Now use the INT function. Equal. Click on the INT function. Click on average mark. Close parenthesis and press enter. Click and scroll down.